Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be including the prices, features, product codes if available. And you know the drill. If you like anything here, kindly take a screenshot. For orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! For today's episode, I will be sharing new Louis Vuitton bags launching August and July 2024. Prices, SKU, product features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference, and for pre-orders and availabilities, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with bags launching August. So first we have the Nano Diane. Price of this one is 1,600 euro. Launch date is August 30th and in the US launching July 26th. Price of this one is 1,600 euro. Material is monogram canvas with Vivian leather trims, top handle and detachable crossbody strap. Next we have the Babylon Tote PM. Launching is August 30th, 2024. Price of this one is 3,200 USD. SKUs provided. Main material is the very beautiful empreinte leather. Color is cream. It comes with adjustable top handle and adjustable leather crossbody bag. It has 2 open compartment and 1 zip compartment. It would come in the color tortorelle as well. Babylon Tote PM. The price is 3,200 USD. Same launch date of August 30th, 2024. So what can you say about this new tote bag by Louis Vuitton? I am loving, of course, the very beautiful tortorelle color in the empreinte leather. The Babylon tote would also come in the size PM. So in noir colorway, same price of 3,200 USD. So as you're going to notice, the strap that it comes with is also fully detachable and you could adjust the leather crossbody strap. And this is the close-up on how you could adjust the top handle, the leather top handle detail. Next, the Babylon tote still, but this time the size MM and the color is noir. So since this is a bigger size, the price is 2,700 euro. Or 3,450 USD. Same configuration, just a little bit bigger. Same launch date of August 30th, 2024. So detachable and adjustable leather strap and adjustable top handle as well. Next, from the Fall Winter Women's 2024 Runway Collection, launching August 2nd, 2024. First, we have the Louis Vuitton Piano bag. Price of this one is 2,100 euro. Or 2,600 USD. Made of monogram canvas, it has Vivian leather strap that is fully adjustable as we could see here, and it has zipper for closure. Then we have this very cute nano bucket still from the women's Fall Winter 2024 Runway Collection. Price of this one is 1,900 euro, launching August 2nd. The main material is monogram canvas as we could see here. It would have Vivian leather trims, adjustable top handle, detachable and adjustable Vivian leather crossbody strap. Then we have the zippy wallet. So this is an SLG. Price is 800 euros, still under the same collection of women's Fall Winter 2024 Runway piece. So we have SKU here, gold zippered hardware. It is a long zippered wallet as you can see here, and it would come with Vivian leather trims on the side of the wallet. Next, we have the very beautiful Go 14 size PM rather. Price of this one is 5,300 euro or 5,950 USD. We have SKU here made entirely of leather. Even the lining is fully leather lined. It would come with detachable leather top handle and chain strap as well, and it would come in the noir colorway, same price point of 5,300 euro or 5,950 USD. So this is what it looks like when you open. As you can see, the lining of this bag is fully leather lined, beautiful shiny gold hardware, detachable chain strap, and it comes with leather top handle as well. Next, we have this very cute colorway, Pochette Métis East-West. The price of this one is 2,500 euro. We have SKU here. So the color is the monogram Trianon color. Material is leather with Vivian leather trims, and it comes with S-lock. It would come with leather crossbody strap and chain strap as well. Then guys, this is the favorite, one of my favorite in this collection. So we have firstly the Alma BB. Price of this one is 2,300 euro. What I'm loving about this one, this would be part of the new Monogram Ink collection. Colorway is the Trianon or gray. Gold hardware. It would come with clochette, bag tag, and keys. Next, we have the Alma BB. So which is your favorite, guys? Would it be the gray or Trianon colorway, or it would be this noir colorway as well? Actually, I'm also loving this noir colorway. Even though it has Louis Vuitton monogram, it is very subtle. Gold hardware, padlock, clochette, and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather crossbody strap. Then we have the Vanity chain pouch, still part of the Monogram Ink from the Women's Fall Winter 2024 Runway Collection. Again, if I miss, this would be launching August 2nd, 2024. So material is the shiny calfskin leather, detachable leather crossbody strap, chain strap, padlock, keys, and clochettes. Next, we have bomb bags. So guys, these are the bags launching July 19th, 2024. First, we have the bomb bag mini. Price is 2,480 USD from the summer holidays collection. The color is rose jasmine. Material is leather with detachable leather crossbody strap and chain strap as well. Next, we have the Vanity chain pouch. Price of this one is 3,100 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a slimmer version of the Vanity PM. And then, of course, as you can see here, it would still come with the Louis Vuitton flower. On the clochette, it would come with gold padlock and keys. Definitely, it would come with chain strap and leather strap as well. Then we have the Victorine wallet SLG. Price of this one is 790 USD. Colorway is the rose jasmine. Leather with materials leather with monogram details. As we can see here, it has one zippered compartment and it has card slots on the inside. So this is the close-up look of how the leather would look like, plus of course the very beautiful Louis Vuitton flower ring. Then we have, of course, another gorgeous bag, the Speedy 20. Price of this one is 3,100 USD from the summer holidays collection 2024. Colorway is black. Material is leather with monogram details with flower ring, key clochette, padlock, keys, and detachable strap. Next on the collection, we have the Ivy wallet on chain. Price of this one is 2,290 USD. Color is blanc. Material is leather with monogram details with flower ring, key clochette. As we could see here, it would come with two strap leather crossbody strap, and it would come with gold chain strap as well. Launching July 19th, 2024. Then we have the very beautiful Kuzan size PM. Price of this one is 5,300 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is the Degradé Rose Jasmine. Material is, of course, the very beautiful lambskin leather. It would come with chunky chain strap, detachable canvas strap. I am loving, actually, guys, the multi-colorway of the monogram. What do you think? It would come in the Degradé Blanc colorway. So this is a Kuzan BB. Price of this one is 4,650 USD. We have SKU here. Interior is the ballerine pink. I am loving, of course, the chunky chain. It is also engraved with the Louis Vuitton monogram. And the same with the first one a while ago, as you're going to notice, the Louis Vuitton monogram is multi-colorway. Then we have the Louis Vuitton bundle bag. The price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,350 USD. We have SKU here. So this bundle bag, it would come with mini pochette. It would come with bag tag with the flower ring detail, and it would come with the leather shoulder strap that is fully adjustable. Next, we have the Pochette size mini. For the price, guys, I don't have it currently, but please do stand by. Once I have it, I'll be posting it on our community wall. Launching of this mini Pochette is July 19th, 2024. It would come with this bag tag with flower ring detail as well. And then, of course, we are going to see the tonal gold on gold hardware. Next, we have the On The Go East-West. Price is 3,650 USD. We have SKU here. So the colorway of this one is, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but it is the Banane. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Material is leather, detachable leather strap. It would come with fixed cross or top handle bag. And then last but not the least, we have the twist bag. It would come in two sizes. PM is 4,850 USD, MM is 5,100 USD. So we have the different SKU here for the different colorways. So we have the Jasmine, we have the Blanc, we have the Noir. So this is from the Summer Holidays collection. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you did, guys, I would love to hear from you. Kindly comment down below among the very beautiful Louis Vuitton up-and-coming bags that we have discussed. Which ones are you adding to your wish list? And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, you know the drill. Kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little like in here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!